Good morning, guys. How we doing? Hey, we're going to go over Solana today. Did you guys watch the indicators the other day? Watch them get up to the top red section on almost all these coins, calling the drop. I'll show that to you guys in today's video. Gonna go over the metrics today for Solana as well. The emotional index. Gosh, guys, talk about fear in the market. Long for short trades. Short trades blowing up here. Could that actually drop us down further? Market cap strength. Trades in favor. Well, institutional smart money, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and then we're gonna finish the day with a trade setup. Guys, we're currently sitting at 122 wins, 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade with our trading strategy, and I'll show you guys, if nothing else, you guys will get in this video, I will show you guys how we trade this. The last trade we took was a 9.92% profit on SHIB, and that was for 50%, and the remaining 50% was at 4% profit. All right, guys, let's dive on in. Here's what I like to do, and when I look at structures, I start with this. What is a trend dashboard telling me? So retail traders, when they're looking at these indicators here, they're looking at this. They're looking at majority, RSI stochastic, 50, 100, and 200 moving average. Here's the idea behind this. This is why I coded this. A lot of exchanges, even ones that you guys are brand new to, most of them, like some of them actually come stock with these indicators already put on there. And just from simple knowledge of people in the market, people know about RSI, stochastic, MACD, and moving averages, and the major ones. So what I did is we coded an indicator here called the trend dashboard to kind of give us an idea of what are retail traders feeling and experiencing in the market. And when this is majority red, this is where we actually want to come into the market and start looking to buy, because their emotions are taking over. And retail traders love to trade with emotions, guys. So watch your emotions this morning. When you woke up, were you getting anxious and fearful again because we started to move back down? My personal thought here, guys, you should not be. It's just a normal break and retest pattern right here. Break and retest on almost all cryptos. Guys, nothing can just keep going up that fast. What we saw yesterday, even with a Fed meeting, raising interest rates, basically 0.5%, the highest interest rate hike in, I believe it was over 20 years, and the market still went up. Guys, allow the market to ebb and flow and come back. You're doing okay. We'll go over some predictions, but like, this is healthy. This is good. If you want the market to keep going up, this is a very good thing that's happening right now. Look at this. Hey, I don't know what you guys were doing yesterday, but if you were just watching these two indicators, I'm telling you guys, these indicators right here, trend exhaustion in the top red section, well money flow high, guys. When whales are buying as much as they did the other day, they're going to eventually sell. And that usually happens when the well money flow, this green line, is in the top red section here. I'm going to take off the price for a second here so you guys can see this. When the whales are buying here and they're buying strong, that's when this green line is going to go up, guys. We literally coded this off of actual transactions on the exchange you guys are viewing. For example, this is Binance for Solana. It's kind of like cheating in the market. When you see the green line come up here, you guys are going to watch whales buy into the market. If you see this red line high at the same time that the whale money flow is high, this is where you're getting double confirmation that the price is most likely going to see a move back down. Why is this? I want to explain this to you guys. Well, first of all, when whales are buying, money's moving into the market. And I'll just be completely honest with you guys. There is a secret side of this that 10%, I just don't know why it works so well. And it's just it baffles me sometimes. The other 90%, I know how this works and I coded it, and I know we pull structures and I know we pull the data, and it's just really, really crisp, good data. But I am sometimes honestly just blown away at how are we able to predict this so well? Literally, if you just wait for this white line to get in the top red section, and you look up here, and you're also looking for well money flow to get high in the same duration, same time period here, you're going to be looking for drops back down on the market. And that's what we saw yesterday. I was looking at this, I'm like, oh my gosh, look at this. Trend exhaustion got in the top red section, well money flow got high, and we moved back down. And then you look over here, and it's like, okay, trend exhaustion low, well money flow getting low around the same time. It's syncing up. What happened? We moved up right after that. So guys, if you're looking at this and you're like, I want those, snag them in the description, guys. We literally have people doing thousands of dollars a month with these two indicators, and we have a sale going on right now. Not to just turn this into a big sales pitch, but seriously, they're 84% off in the description. I love geeking out with these, and I'm going to do it more this morning on some other analysis. But look at it, 88. I'm not going to do an analysis on 88. But look at this. I was just looking at it this morning. I was like, oh my gosh, top red section, well money flow high. We're going to see a move back down. Okay? And I'm like, okay, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. We're going to see a move back down. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I love geeking out on this stuff, and the team knows this, and it's just really fun. All right, guys, let's go over the charts. Emotionally speaking, this is ridiculous. The fear index for Solana is we give up. We're going to sell. That's what people were feeling back over here. And hopefully you guys aren't feeling that again this morning because it's actually a healthy move back down. Looking at this over here, long versus short trades. Look at this metric. This kind of like baffles me this morning. I was like, what's going on here? Okay, long trades are moving out of the market. Short trades are blasting off over here, like fast. They were moving up here, and they're still staying elevated. And that was yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is right about here on this candle. So short trades are high. They got what they wanted. Okay, great. I want you guys to watch this morning. What happens with Solana this morning? I think, just going to put some estimates here, that short trades are probably going to start moving out of the market and long trades are going to look to just tick up a little bit here. The reason for that is short trades are just coming out of favor. Once the market drops, short trades are going to move out of favor. Long trades are moving into favor because it's people buying the demand of a lower price. So if you're waking up this morning, you're like, man, this sucks. The market's going down. I'm like, let it happen. Because this is healthy for another market move back up. Market cap strength, as long as this green line is following price structure or the green line is moving up while price structure is moving down or sideways, that's all bullish, guys. Like that's totally fine. You just don't want the price to be doing something like this where it's going up and the green line goes wham and just smashes it back down. That means people are losing interest in the coin and money is literally coming out of that coin. So we're actually very healthy from a market cap perspective. So good job if you guys are holding Solana, okay? Trades in favor. Looking at this over here, we're just in the neutral section. I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup today. Again, if you guys are watching this every day, the best place to take a trade is down here at when it says great long trade. I purposely coded this into two sections, good long trade and great long trade. So if you guys are like, hey, this is good, but I want great, like look to take this on the great short trade. The amount of money you guys are making, like just think this with me. If you guys are just waiting up here to get into some short trades, it's just kind of ridiculous what you guys are able to do. And even on moves up like this, you guys are waiting for this and you're like, hey, I woke up in the morning. I want to take a trade because I'm excited. Okay, wait for this to say great short trade or great long trade. The amount of confirmation you're going to get this back up in your favor is going to be great. Again, at least wait for the green sections or the red sections. That will increase your guys' favor. And honestly, the money you'll make will be higher because you're on the right side of favor in the market. This may just look like a blue line, guys, but there is so much coding that goes behind all of our metrics that this is how we're able to predict these moves back down, which is kind of ridiculous in the markets, okay? And you're like, that's not possible. Yes, it is, guys. Come on. Look at this. It's pretty sweet. All right, well, institutional smart money. The well's been buying, guys, on all cryptos. I've been telling you this, guys, on every single video. The market is crashing. People are freaking out. They're selling because they're anxious and they're fearful. And whales are just accumulating all the way down. They're just going to accumulate, guys. Because guess what? They're not going to care if they got in here, if they got in here, if they got in here, or even if they got in up here. They're the ones in the market waiting because they know the move like this is coming. Guys, we're going to go back to structure high someday. This whole market is going to favor everyone who's patient. If you're not patient, you just need to understand this. If you're honest with yourself and like, look, Travis, I'm not a patient person. You shouldn't be trading, literally, because your emotional swings are going to hurt you, your family, maybe the cat if you kick it a lot. Like you're actually going to be hurting yourself more if you're not a patient person. I want to just be kind how I say this, but guys, when the market's going to go up and down, we just need to all chill, just chill a little bit more, okay? Use the risk management I show you guys on every single one of our trades. We haven't hit the third buy limit. We haven't even hit the fourth buy limit. We're so good over here and we're healthy on our account. 150,000 is break even. We're at 123,000, guys, almost 124,000. We have the healthiest account I can find on all of YouTube. Actually, we have the healthiest account in all of crypto I can find. And we've never lost a trade, the highest win rate ever recorded on YouTube. It's because of this risk management. I'll show you guys how to get into that in a second. So watch this. If we do start blasting back up here, where are we going to go? It's going to be 110. Let's just take a look at 110 real quick. 110 puts us right very close to our entry at structure high here. So I told you guys I'm going to go over that prediction. I think this next target is going from structure low to structure high with a 50% retracement. And look where that puts us. Smack dab at this resistance right there. The next spot where I think this market could be moving up to is right here at 113, 112. Okay, 112, 113. That is where I think we're going to go. Once that happens, I want everybody to watch for the market take a little bit of dip back down. And it may be a decent one. And then we're going to look for that another move back up, and I'm going to call an exit, and we're going to win another trade. Guys, by the way, the trades that are about to win for us, if you're joining us today, because I'm going to be calling these out very soon. Sorry, let me get this off the chart here. Sheeb and Luna. Watch those guys. Those are going to be our next wins, for sure. They're probably going to come pretty fast. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have $1,000, throw it into the market. Great job. You guys are just in here, putting $1,000 at each of these lines. This, we've had other YouTube channels literally who are like selling memberships and stuff, they actually showcase this indicator on there. They're like, this is pretty sweet. And so it's kind of fun when other YouTubers like use our stuff and they're like, guys, check out the metrics over here. So it's pretty cool. But anyways, you guys are doing great. You're just dollar cost averaging for this move up here, and it's called diamond hand holding. Okay, let me teach you guys exactly how we're doing this, because I want to keep it private for our members, but let's go over to Bitcoin. When you guys go to our website and you see that we have a 100% win rate crypto scalping strategy, guys, this literally is a 100% win rate. It sounds weird because you guys are most likely looking online, and most scam people try to tell you 100%. It's 100%, and there's no way that's possible. No, guys. Like, we're 50,000 subscribers strong. Like, we have tons of testimonials. We have the highest win rate ever recorded for crypto that we can find on all of YouTube and in the world, literally. Trust me on this and watch this video, and I will teach you guys how you literally, it is going to be extremely hard to ever lose a scalping trade again, because the risk management is insane. And like, we've literally got traders doing this. Like, I tell you guys, $1,200 here, 17%, 5% gain, make it realistic, 485, thousands a month, $5,000 in a single week. Those are just a few I just threw in here. Watch that video if you guys want. Okay. Here's how we do this, guys. Go to the Bitcoin charts. Let's scroll all the way down here and let's take a look at this. Here's what you guys need to be watching for, is just this trade setup. You are going to see 4 yellow lines. They're just buy limit prices, okay? These are structured in here. We have an algorithm running on the charts now that are looking for the best places to get in. It's so sweet. I don't have time to even go into it, but just know, guys, if you've been following us for a while, this is ridiculously awesome, okay? I feel so much more confident entering into these, no matter what the structure is, than what we did before. Because I'll be honest with you guys, I was doing everything by hand before. So I did everything by hand for buy limits for just over, let's see, March, April, May, about a year and 2 months. I did it by hand. I took all that data, I looked at that, we programmed it all into a bot, and I'm not kidding, guys. I have probably one of the best coders in the world for TradingView, and he was having a hard time doing some of the programming on this, but we figured it out. So like, just know these buy limits are synced up with incredible principles. I'm talking Fibonacci, looking at bot zones, looking at areas of resistance and support, bank levels. It's insane. Literally, watch this, and there's reasons why you guys want to use it. Okay, anyways. All of these buy limits. Here's what you guys do. Choose the amount you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions. That's $250, and place them at each of the yellow lines. Got it. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit here for 100% at the sell limit price. It's in green here, so you guys can all see that. All right. Once you guys' first buy limit is hit, just then follow me in Telegram, because I'm going to call an exit for you guys with the indicators. Okay. So the indicators up here, here's what you guys need to do to watch this. I'll go over the metrics and all that and the pricing, but our May sell right now, you guys are going to get 84% off all of our indicators. This is the lowest price you guys can ever get our bundle pack. We're never going to have it lower than this price. So click here, use coupon code SAVE MONEY. Guys, I know we're in a bear market right now. It's one of the reasons why I ran the sale. So like, literally, I could have kept the prices where they're at, but I'm like, I know these indicators are helping so many people, and it's going to keep you safe. And it's going to keep you guys making money, because look at the testimonials. Like, geez, it's doing crazy things for people. So we discounted it while people are down in the market, so you can get a discount. Like, I'm just trying to help you out, guys. These 3 indicators are the ones you really need right here. Okay, these 3. And then you guys get 6 others that you guys get with the bundle pack. 2 Forex indicators, and then this guy right here is called a pressure gauge, our jackpot indicator. Watch the videos. They're going to be amazing. It's a one-time purchase, lifetime access, and you guys can get it in the description. In order to access all the whale metrics we just went over, guys, that's just $95 a month. And that's going to give you guys access to the Telegram channel, entries, exits, the master classes for all of you guys who want to get in and follow what I've literally taught hedge funds worth billions of dollars. You guys can watch those right up here. Sorry, let me find it. Master classes right there. Okay. Then the community chat, you guys will see right here on the website, everyone talking about the markets together, looking for trade setups. And then I'm going to be going live this month in Zoom with all of you guys to talk about the markets and do an open Q&A session. And that's just right over here. You guys need to look at the inner circle. So that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's just really simple at the end of the day. You guys have the membership. You'll get access to all the metrics, so you can look at the whales and see what they're doing. The entries and exits. The indicators are here to predict the market moves up and down before they happen, just like we're looking at over here. I showed you guys with the, price to swell money flow, trend exhaustion, and you guys are set up. And then on top of that, our strategy, guys, start getting into trades if you'd like. I'm not a financial advisor, entertainment purposes only, but like, guys, this is a great setup. 4 different buy limits down here. Get in the market right now, make money as it goes up. If it goes down, your break-even entry is going to move down with you. It's the only, I'll end this with right here. Guys, this is the only strategy you can use that as the market goes against you, your break-even entry is going to get better and your risk-reward ratio is going to get better if you leave your sell limit where it's at. It's absolutely insane. I love trading this strategy so much, and I'm not nervous about this, guys. Let it come back down, and then we're looking for the move back up here to where, again, do you guys remember? 112 to 113. Realistically, probably let's say 112. All right. God bless you guys. I hope you love this video. Everything you need is in the description. Snag the indicators. That's only for this month of May, guys. So time's running out. Make sure you guys do snag that. The bundle pack's there. And by the way, if you guys just want to talk to us, if you're having a hard time in the market, like, I know it sounds weird for a YouTube, but like email us, betradeconfident@gmail.com. We're not just here to like sell products and do that stuff. It might sound like that, but guys, email us if you have questions. If you just want to like talk to somebody, hey, this really sucks that the market's down. We're here for you. Like email us, betradeconfident@gmail.com. We're a family over here. I want to help you guys, okay? Have a good one, guys. Everything you need is linked below in the description, and I put it in the first comment of the YouTube video. So click that, snag what you guys need, and I'll see you guys next video. Love you guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.